make a different type of video than what I have uploaded already onto my channel. So I do have a special guest that is going to be joining me in this video. So if I can please get a drum roll, please. And here it is. I had received the June 2019 BoxyCharm. I have been seeing so many reviews on this and I've been so excited to try this. I have been wanting to try it for quite some time now, but I just haven't had the chance to order it. I do kind of have an idea of what I could be receiving into this box, which I'm really crossing my fingers and hoping that it's the Tarte eyeshadow palette, because I have a lot of bronzer palettes as it is, because I love bronzer, but I want to try something different. So I'm going to open it right now. I do have my scissors. Okay, so I had ordered my BoxyCharm on June 15, and today is the 22nd, and I received it today. So that is fairly quick. So I was a little concerned about that because I was like, man, I really want to receive this before June ends, because this is the June 2019 edition. So they had taped it on the side here. So I'm going to open it up. It is a little tough, but yay, I got it. Okay, so this is how it looks, and I'm gonna look with you guys because I've never done this before. I'm so excited because I used to want to try like I think it was the Ipsy bag, but I was kind of bummed out when I heard they were sample sizes. So I was so excited to try this out because I seen that these are full-on products and you only spend $21 a month and you're getting like a value of 100 and you know whatever. So it has this little card, so I'm gonna read it. So it just says BoxyCharm Getaway, and I guess this is the theme. I love like banana leaves and all that, like that's my thing right now. So it's the Tarte BU Naturally Eyeshadow Palette. So this is it right here. We're going to open it up. It says that this makeup palette, this eyeshadow palette retails for $36. So if you really think about it, you're spending $21 a month for this box. This palette is already gonna make up for that. And I haven't even gotten to the other products. So this is amazing. That is so cute. After I just said I love banana leaves, it has banana leaves all over it. So it's so pretty. It's crazy. It's actually pretty heavy. I've never had a palette that had weight to it before, and this has weight to it, so I really like it. See, and these are colors I love. I live for like all neutral, natural, like bronzy looking colors. I just love the way that it looks on my skin. I always have to smell my makeup. I don't know if anybody else does that, but I love to smell it. It smells really good. So as I see already, it has 4 shimmer colors. So it has 4 shimmer colors and 4 matte colors, which is nice. So I will be using this. So we're gonna test this out together. So the next thing that I got is called Touch and Soul No Pore Blem Prime Essence. And this retails for $23. I have never used this brand before. I have never tried this. And it says it has flower extract in it. I like that. So I'm assuming it's probably gonna smell maybe like flowers. And as you guys can see, I do have a bare face. I did take a shower before starting this video, and I already had toned my face, washed my face, toned my face, and moisturized it so we can use this product. So this will be something fun to use. It's really cute and it's really big. Like, I'm really surprised. I really like it. So the next product that I have is a Dominique Cosmetics. It's a lemonade lip gloss that retails for $17. And the name of this lip gloss is Strawberry Lemonade. I love strawberry lemonade, so let's see if it smells like it. It is very cute. As you can see, the packaging, it says lemonade right here, and it has her logo. Let's smell it. It smells very good. It smells really good. And I like that it has a flat wand, so when you are applying it, it's kind of like the NYX lipsticks in the tubes. So that will be nice to use. The next thing that I have in the box is a Steve Laurent Jelly Highlighter. This one retails for $26. So here is the highlighter, and it looks really pretty. So I will be excited to use this. I've never actually used a jelly highlighter before, so I am excited about that because I heard that it's supposed to be like nice and fluffy and kind of like moist in a way. And then the last thing that I have is a Purlisse antioxidant sheet mask, and they actually gave me 3 of them, and these retail for $24. So these are the face masks right here. I won't be using them in this video because I am going to be testing out the makeup products, but in another video I could test these out for you guys if you are interested, so just let me know. So since that's everything that I have in the box, I added everything up. It does retail to $126 worth of everything that I got. So I am so excited to do this, so let's jump right into the video. Okay, so the first thing I want to try out is this primer that they had in the box. Wow, it looks kind of like a dropper. Here we go. Let's see the consistency of how it looks when it comes out. So yeah, this is weird. This is kind of watery, so I don't know if I prefer that. But I've heard really, really good reviews on this. It kind of feels like a toner. Like, you know, after you wash your face and you do a toner, that's what it feels like. I have a mirror right here, so I am looking down. Sorry if my face is very red, but like I said, I came on with a bare face. I am a little out of my comfort zone, but I did want to do a honest review. Okay, so after the primer, like I said, it's very watery. It feels to me, and it kind of smells like a toner. I'm not going to say I don't like it because this is the first time I'm trying it, so I will have to try it a few times with makeup to know if I like it or not. But the consistency of it, I'm not really a big fan because, like I said, it's like a toner. So I don't have any foundation obviously in the box, so I'm going to apply my foundation right now. So I'm not gonna lie, it is helping my foundation smooth. Like, it's helping my foundation apply very smoothly, and I really like that. Because usually I put the primer on and then I put a setting spray. So that's something I do like. I do like that it is applying smoothly. So maybe that is a good thing, you know? Like I said, I'm not used to it, so sometimes when you're not used to it, you are afraid to use it. I'm going to apply my own concealer because you cannot have makeup without concealer, girl. Like, no. So where is concealer? As you can see, I did already apply some foundation and some concealer. One thing I did really like about it is that it did actually help my foundation go smoothly. You know what? I've never used it before. So the next thing I'm going to do is I am going to prime my eyes, and then I'm going to use the Tarte. I have never used any type of Tarte eyeshadow palette, anything. Like, it smells so good. Like, I've never had an eyeshadow palette that smelled that good. So I'm going to prime my eye. So I'm going to put a little bit of concealer. So I'm going to be using the eyeshadow palette now, and I'm going to just be looking into this mirror because it does have a cute little mirror. So the first thing I'm going to be doing is I'm going to use a base color. So it does show the colors in the back. So the color that I'm going to be using is called Earthy, which is this color right here. It's very smooth. The eyeshadow is very smooth. Really smooth, you know. So the next color I'm going to use this color right here, and it's called Explore. This color looks really pretty, really pretty. I really like it. And I can say this eyeshadow smells amazing. Literally, I just want to eat it.
Hell no.
So the next color I'm going to use, and this color is called Daybreak. So I'm going to be using that one right there. With my flat brush, and I'm going to apply one of the shimmers. What I am going to do is I am going to wet it. I feel like it just applies better. So I am going to be using this color right here, Dusk. So I really like it so far. I think the colors are really pretty. So the next color I'm going to be using, I'm going to be going back with that earthy color that I showed you previously, what I set my eyes with, and I am going to use it underneath my brow bone. Goes in together. So now I am going to go in with the highlighter, which is the Steve Laurent one that I showed you. I do want to feel it first because it said it's like jelly. Oh wow, it is kind of like, I don't know if you can see my fingerprints, but it is kind of jelly-ish. I like that. So far I do like the highlighter. Like I said, just be very careful if you're dipping your brush in it. It doesn't look jelly-ish, but it really is. I can also show you a swatch on my hand. It is really, really soft. So it is pretty shimmery. So the last thing that I am going to be using is Dominique Cosmetics lip gloss. So let's try this lipstick out. It does. It smells really, really good. This I like. This will look really, really pretty, probably with like a nude lip liner around your lips, and then this, or like a nude lipstick or a light pink. So I will be trying that another day. I think everything looks good, and I am very satisfied with everything in this box. I am in love with this. I think the favorite thing I can say that was in this box that I really, 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 really enjoyed, I would probably say, I really obviously like the eyeshadow palette, but I would probably say the highlighter. I don't know why, but I just find that so cool. Like I said, I've never tried a jelly highlighter before. All my highlighters are just dry, so but yeah, I really, really like that. But I loved everything in the box. Make sure to like this video if you did, and put a comment down below and just let me know what are your thoughts on everything. Also, turn on your post notifications so next time I do post a video, you guys will be informed. And yeah, thank you guys for watching, and I hope to see you soon.